think I've got just the solution for all my accessories I need to keep together when we're out filming. Bam. Direct from our friends at Torch Off-Road. Let's see what's inside here. Plenty of goodies in here. Let's open up bag number 1. Get it all separated and see what we're looking at. The first bag, this is their new carry bag. This thing is awesome, durable. Gotta love, this is Velcro here. Good old American flag on there, gotta have that. Torch Off-Road patch. This is perfect for carrying your accessories. You can throw accessories and stuff in here. Got a pad inside. You can even use your laptop in there. Got a nice pad here, a pad on the back. You can slide your laptop right down in there. Use this Velcro to hold it in place. Take your laptop with you if you're on the road doing any type of editing or anything else. Here's the strap for it. Regular backpack style straps. Fully adjustable, of course. Now that's a nice bag. We'll be using that for some of these accessories. But they also send you sticker kit like they do with everything else. And here's one of their courtesy letters they send with each product. This one is for their everyday carry gear. And you've got your 7 days a week, 9 to 6 that they're open out in California. And you can check them out on torchoffroad.com. These guys are great. They've been really good to us here at Hard Rock Garage. Proud to use all their products. So as usual, you get the good sticker pack. These Phoenixes are my favorite. I love these things. And then they give you 2 extra Velcro patches to go with it. And these are like rubber. So that's good stuff there. Bag number 3 here. This is for your water bottle, which you can attach to the actual bag. So if you got a water bottle you want to carry with you, throw it in there, bam, good to go. All this stuff is on their website, www.torchoffroad.com. And you can save 15% on these products here. Type in our code, HeartRock10, and you'll save 15% on this gear. Go check them out. Get one ordered today.